been waiting for about a week, which takes about between 5 to 9 days to get here. And you're not gonna. Oh, it's in its original language from English to Italian, had to be translated. So I'm hoping y'all can see this. See if I can get it. So Silicone Jewelry Alliance SJA ChewiGem. It says translated from original instructions. The original instructions in it are from Italian. Translated from Italian. Anyways, yeah, I got a ChewiGem item today. Sorry, my cat's activating my tablet. But compared to my cat, like, compared to my hand even, look how big it is. I don't think anybody's ever really put into mention just how big these ChewiGem items really are. They're very cool. And I'm going to wash it off, and I'm going to carefully use it. So, yep, came in a little silicone package, like so.